What's good, guys? So in today's video, I got some more stuff done to my quad, so I was thinking, why not make a video? So yeah, let's start with what I did first with the whole build. It's not really a build, but you know what I'm saying, I wanted it to look more like aggressive, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I got these Nerf Bars off Marketplace. I got a pretty good deal on them. I'm not sure what brand is that, but I got a pretty good deal on Nerf Bars, so I picked them off Marketplace. I had it shipped. And got these hand guards off Amazon. They look pretty good with it, the whole black theme. I was trying to find one that has the same neon green with the quad. Couldn't find any. I got the whole front shocks. I got the shock covers in the front. Got those going on. And I did that seat myself. Well, I bought it like that. It was originally green. I had some blues. They were originally blue stripe, but I had a sewing machine, so I sewed it up and put the green stitching on there and everything. I need some new tires. Don't mind the tires are pretty bald, but yeah. And I recently just got this used HMF pipe off Marketplace as well. I'm getting most of my stuff off Marketplace because people got some really good deal on there. So I just recently got this HMF pipe. It was in pretty bad condition, but then sanding it down, and I bought this ceramic coat spray paint, and I did it all myself, so it turned out pretty good. I'm so actually really impressed with how it turned out, to be honest. But yeah, turned out pretty good. I got the full HMF exhaust, the pipe, and then my friend who lives around the corner, my homie, had this guard on it. It was originally orange. He gave it to me, so now sanding it down and did everything to spray it black to match the whole theme of the quad. And these cooling hoses, I got them. I got these cooling hoses done. There is this person on Marketplace, not Marketplace. I keep saying Marketplace. There's a person on eBay who did, because I do custom made the cooling hoses. So I got it done. They're in China. It took like about 2 weeks to get. And yeah, cooling hoses, and then got pro taper handlebars, pro taper padding in the middle. Then I put some grips. I don't know what you call these. I found these online on Amazon. I got them. I put them on. Did this black, the parking brake. I need to do a parking brake delete because it makes no sense now because I got the handguard, so I can't. You know what I'm saying, I can't activate a parking brake. So yeah, I need to get those deleted. But yeah, I wonder if I'm missing anything. Oh, so funny story. There was this person in this group on Marketplace. I ordered a HMF because he had it used for sale for a good price for the HMF Optimizer. So I ordered it and sent him the money on PayPal and everything, and bro did not ship it out. So he claimed that he's shipping it out, but I have a USPS account, so if anything is going to the address that I have on file on my USPS account, it pops up automatically. All he did was make the label. It's been maybe a couple of days now, and it hasn't been shipped. So I ordered the new HMF Optimizer, and yeah, I got it. So but yeah, man, that's the build. Really, there's nothing really more to it. I'm gonna crank it up so y'all can hear it. This shit is loud. It's really loud, especially for the neighborhood. So I'm thinking I'm gonna order a quiet cord for it because it's pretty loud. And you know it's loud when you're embarrassed to even ride the freaking quad, and that's how I am right now. I'm embarrassed to ride it because how loud it is. But yeah, I'll crank it up for a little bit because this shit is loud. Not even funny, man. It's super freaking loud with the full exhaust system on. But trust me, it sounds really good though. It sounds good. When you get up and go on it, it sounds so crazy. It sounds so good. But yeah, man, I doubt the camera is doing justice to this right now, how loud it is. But yes, sir, that's the build, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm really happy with how it's looking. I need to get some new tires and everything. But I'm really happy with how it's looking. Only thing left I think I'm gonna get is the Vortex ECU. That's all. And then I think that's it. I don't do that much of a big riding, so yeah. But yeah, man, that's the video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And yeah, oh yeah, never mind. Did the side covers, I mean the clutch cover right there. It's kind of looking greasy. I just did an oil change on it, so I didn't wipe it down. But yeah, painted those black. Yeah, but yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so I'm making an update on the quad because it's been like 2 months since I posted, and I just wanted to put a video out there, like show y'all what's going on with the quad and everything. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.